once again, good afternoon. Good afternoon, all. And tell me, which lesson we are learning now?
EVS 2.
EVS 2, yeah. What is the name of this?
Discoveration, inventions.
Okay, tell me, what is exploration? What is exploration? Who can say? Only one. If you know the answer, please raise your hands, not all together. I'm not asking anyone to open the book. Please keep it there. Now I can see some children are searching for their book.
Ma'am.
Adidev MB, no need to open the book. If you know the answer, you can say. Anybody
I
can
know
say?
the answer.
Okay, Catherine, Sri Rugda, say the answer. What is exploration? What is exploration?
Traveling in new places and finding new things.
Finding about new. Okay. Searching for a place or finding out more about an unknown place is called exploration. Then who all are explorers? Who all are explorers? People who travel.
Vasco da Gama. Ma'am,
Who all are?
Alexandrian.
Yeah, that are famous explorers. Ma'am is asking the people who travel and find out more about a place known as explorers. And also we have discussed about some famous explorers in the class. Do you remember?
Yuri Gagarin.
Catherine Lejo, please be quiet.
Vasco da Gama.
Aditri, keep quiet. Did I ask you? No. Adira, say the answer. The famous explorers.
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama. Alexandrine time. Then Ferdinand Magellan. Then Azad Yuri Gagarin. Did you ask my permission, Azad? Azad, listen. You didn't ask my permission to drink the water. Did you ask my permission? I can see you are drinking water there. Okay, next time when you drink water, you have to ask your ma'am. Okay, when you are in the class, you have to ask your teacher's permission. Okay, Azad? Okay. That's okay, fine. We will back to the class. So we have already discussed about what is exploration and who all are some famous explorers in the world. And Vasco da Gama, he was the first, the European who find out a sea route from Europe to India. And then, okay, to reach India from Europe. And Alexandrine time, she only find out the path followed by the river Nile in Africa. Okay, for the first time, Ferdinand Magellan, who was the first person who traveled entire world. And he proved that Earth is round. Ferdinand Magellan, he proved that Earth is round. Now, can you give me a cute smile? Alex Princeton, what you are searching in your book? Please, when you are in my class, please don't open the textbook. Please, dear children, after the class, I'll tell you, you have to read the textbook, but not in the class time. Okay, class time, you are supposed to listen to your ma'am. Okay. Now come close to the camera. Come close to the camera and give me a cute smile. Shall we continue? Okay, fine. So now ma'am is talking about Vasco da Gama, the first European. He traveled through the sea from Europe to India. And the second famous explorer, come close to the camera and listen to ma'am. Look towards my face and listen what ma'am is saying. EVS2 is something totally different, right? Huh? How many of you interested to learn about the world, the earth? Huh? It's nothing about the plants, nothing related to our human body, nothing related to animals, but we know about the whole earth, the entire world. We can learn about our country. It's very, very interesting. Okay, now come on, come close to the camera and smile. Yes, let me continue. So Vasco da Gama, the first European who traveled from Europe to India, and he only find out the sea route to India. The next person, Alexandrine time, and she followed a path through the river Nile. Okay, for the first time. Ferdinand Magellan who traveled. The first person, Hazel Joby, what's there? What are you doing there? Okay, Ferdinand Magellan, the first person who traveled around the entire world. And the last one, Yuri Gagarin. He was the first person travel to space. Now we all love to go to space. I love to go to space. How many of you like to go to space? Yeah. But for us, is it easy? Not much easy. Okay.
ma'am.
And you know, Yuri Gagarin, he was the first person travel to space. So can I continue? Today we are going to learn about what is discovery and what is invention. We can study the differences between discovery and invention. You know what is discovery? Have you heard this word anywhere? Discovery? Sometimes your parents may say,
something.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Have you
No.
heard the word discovery anywhere? Or the
Yes,
first time you are
ma'am.
hearing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Discovery Channel. Okay, tell me. Okay. Discovery Channel. How is it? Who said Discovery Channel? Huh? Who said about it? Sringa VS? You said about it?
And media.
Anne Maria. Okay, okay, okay. So discoveries, now ma'am is talking about a discovery. Discovery means finding or learning about something that no one knows about it. Finding or learning something that nobody knows about it. No one knows about it. And you know what is invention? The process of designing and creating something new which did not exist earlier. Okay, let us first discuss about discovery, finding or learning about something new that nobody knows it. Okay, that nobody knows about it. And let me tell you one thing. Can anybody tell me what is the famous, the most important discovery in human beings' life? Discovery of fire, exactly. Very good. Wonderful children. You still remember? Last year we studied about it. The discovery of fire.
Yes,
The early human beings.
Yes, ma'am.
The most important discovery in human beings' life. The discovery of fire.
Fire.
Discovery of fire. Oh. You know one thing, let me tell you once again, children, what is discovery? Finding or learning something. Okay, something that no one knows about it. Finding and learning something that nobody knows about it. That is discovery. That is discovery. Okay, as you said, human beings' life, fire is one of the most important discovery in their life. We all know that early human beings' life. We studied in our third standard, EVS 1, EVS 2. We have already discussed about early human beings. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let me tell you one another discovery in human beings' life.
Okay.
Huh? Okay, I will share one picture to you, and after that, I'll explain. Shall we watch the picture? Oh, before that, I would like to see your cute smile. After that, only I'll continue the class. Come, 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 come. Yes. Azad, what are you doing, Azad? Azad, please unmute. Azad, don't mute your device. Azad, unmute. Okay. So, my dear children, oh, Pranav, Prarthana, and Maria. Okay, 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 okay. Now, ma'am is going to share the screen and I'll show you some pictures. After that, I'll tell you the another most important discoveries in humans' life. The discovery of fire, the one of the most important discovery made by early human beings was find out how fire could be created, how fire could be created and used, how fire could be created and used. Now ma'am is going to explain the another discovery. The another discovery in humans life. Let me tell you once again, what is discovery? Discovery means finding or learning about something that no one knows. Finding or discovery. What is discovery? Read the answer, children. Finding or learning about Azad. No. Azad, read the answer. Azad, not all. Azad, unmute and read. Azad, read. Unmute, Azad. I've told you many times, don't mute your device.
Are made in every field.
Finding or
Finding or learning about something that no one knows about is called a discovery. One
Okay,
of the
very good.
most important discoveries made by early human beings was finding out how fire could be created and used.
Okay. Thank you, Azad. Okay, invention we can explain later. Now, let me come to discovery. Okay. Now listen, children. Do you know who is this person? Who is this person?
No, ma'am.
Charaga. Charaga was a very well-learned man from ancient India. A well-learned man from ancient India. He only discovered the importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health. He discovered the importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health. He is usually known as the father of medicine in India. Father of medicine in India. Charaga. Now you can see the picture of Charaga, and he is known as the, what is his
Father of medicine.
Father of medicine in India. Father of medicine in India. And what he discovered, dear children? He discovered the importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health. He discovered, okay, let me talk to you. Charaga, he is known as the father of medicine in India. And he discovered the importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health. And we know that proper digestion and good health. Do you all know that a digestion happened in our body? In the last year, third standard science, you have studied about it, okay? Am I right? About digestion. Okay. So the Charaga, he only is the very learned man from our ancient India, and he discovered the importance of cleanliness. Importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health. And we all know that nowadays also cleanliness is very important, and we need good health. Why? We all are suffering. We all are facing the pandemic situation, the deadly virus corona right now. Am I right? How can we attack? How can we protect ourselves from this deadly virus? We have to keep ourselves clean and neat. No, use sanitizers and eat good food. Okay.
Wear mask.
Yeah. Keep ourselves always clean and neat. So, who is the first person who discovered the importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health? Was the person Charaga, a very learned man from ancient India. Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
He is known as the father of medicine in India. He's known as the father of medicine in India.
in India.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, ma'am is going to explain. Okay, tell me, what is discovery, finding, or learning about something that no one knows? That nobody knows it. Finding and learning. Finding or learning something about no one knows. It's known as discovery. And as I said, the first point, human's life. What is the most important discovery in human's life? Discovery
Fire.
of
Fire.
fire. Then what we have discussed now? The discovery of importance of
Importance of
cleanliness for proper digestion and a good health. Charaka was the very well-learned man from ancient India, and he is known as the father of medicine. He is usually known as the father of medicine in India.
Father of medicine.
Can I move to the next point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, ma'am is going to ask everybody to check your fingertips. See, ma'am is going to check my fingertip. Everybody, check your fingertip. Oh, we can see fingerprints. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Every human being have different fingerprints. Do you know that? Okay,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
fingerprint is totally different from my others, and your fingerprint different from your parents. Each and every human being have different fingerprints. Now, let me tell you one thing. It's about 100 years ago. 100 years ago. Okay, the fingerprints were used to catch the thieves. Listen, used to find the criminals. It's about, that is another discovery in human's life. There are many discoveries. Okay, this is another discovery using the fingerprints. It's about 100 years ago. Help them to find the criminals. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Then
Yes,
come close to the camera and give me a cute smile. Come. Now I'm close to the camera. Now back, everybody. Then come again close to the camera. Then back. Oh, otherwise not at all moving. Simply sitting his place. Come. Close.
Ma'am, did you see my?
Back. Then everybody please stand up. Stand up. Okay, hands up. Hands down. Sit down. Wow, Sribhadra, nice yellow frock. Sribhadra, show me your frock. You look so pretty today. Oh, my favorite color. Okay, let us be back to the class. So, what I am saying, children, it's all about a discovery. Okay, let me continue. Finding or searching more about that nobody knows about it. Okay, finding or learning, searching more about something that no one knows it. Okay, Sribhadra, you can mute your device. I can hear much disturbance from your device. Okay. The discovery of fire we have explained, and Charaga, the father of Indian medicine. Okay, father of medicine in our country, India. Okay.
Your voice is echoing.
It can be. Maybe your network issue. Here I don't have. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? And the last we discussed about fingerprints. It's about 100 years ago. People started using the fingerprints to find out the criminals. Then, can we move to invention? That's another interesting fact.
ma'am.
Okay, come, let me share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What is invention, children? The process of designing and creating something new, which did not exist earlier.
Earlier
Not
is called
exist
an
earlier.
invention. Earlier is called
Designing and creating something new. Designing and
did
creating
not
something
exist
new, which did
earlier.
not exist earlier, is called an invention. Okay, I want somebody should read the point. Niharika, you can. Niharika, please unmute and read the point. What is invention, baby? What is invention? Tell me.
The process of designing and creating something new which did not exist earlier
Is called that invention. Thank you. Everybody give a good clap to Niharika. Come on, it's not a big clap. I can't hear your noise. Come on. Azad, where are you? Now, listen. All tools and machines are example of inventions. Okay, generally makes our lives easier. And all these tools and machines help us to complete our work faster. For example, wheel, paper, ballpoint pen. Okay. Now, look at the picture.
Ma'am, I cannot see
Can
the
you?
picture.
I don't know, maybe your network issue. Okay. I think all others can see the picture. Okay, the first of all, ma'am is going to speak about a wheel. Ready? Wheel is one of the most important invention. It made it travel and transport faster and easier. It's one of the famous invention. Then second one, paper. Do you know, children, from which country, people from which country they invented paper? China. Chinese people. Okay. Now tell me, listen, let me pause recording. Now ma'am is going to share the screen and we can talk about ballpoint pen. Ready? Ballpoint pen. In 1938, L.J. Biro invented the first ballpoint pen. Okay, the first ballpoint pen. Before this, people only used fountain pens that needed to be dipped in the ink. Okay, only after 1938, we started writing with ballpoint pen. And before 1938, Achyut, what is this? Okay, and before 1938, people used to write with the fountain pens. Fountain pens, you are not familiar with the fountain pens. It is actually, we have to dip it in the ink. Can you see a ink pot is there?
Yeah.
With the pen? Yeah. Okay, that ink, we have to dip the pen in the ink. Okay, before the invention of ballpoint pen, people used this fountain pen. Okay,
Ma'am,
the
I seen
fountain
in
pen
Tom and Jerry.
should dip in the ink before writing. Is it clear?
Yes,
So these are the
Yes, ma'am.
major inventions. So today we learned about discoveries and inventions. Discoveries and inventions. Okay.
Inventions.
Discoveries and inventions. Okay, tell me, what is invention? The process of designing and creating something new, something new which
that
did not
not
exist
exist
earlier.
earlier is called
Designing,
invention.
creating something new which did not exist. Okay, we can study, See, do the action with me, then it will be easy for you to learn.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
The process of designing, creating something new which did not exist
Not exist.
is called an invention.
Invention.
Let us study one more time. The
Yeah.
process of designing, creating something new which did not exist earlier
Which did not exist earlier.
is called invention.
Invention.
Example, wheel.
Wheel,
Then tell me.
paper,
Paper. Ball point. Very good. Excellent. Everybody clap for yourself. Please clap. Okay. So today we learned about discoveries and inventions. Okay. Let me tell you what is discovery once again. Discovery means finding or learning about something that no one knows.
has been
Okay, we can study with action. Okay. Yeah, what is discovery? Finding, learning about something that no one knows. Called discovery. Discovery. Okay. Let us say Adidev MJ. What is in your hand? Sri Bhadra, mute your device. Bhadra, mute your device. So today we learned about discovery and some of the most important discovery in human beings' life, and we talk about inventions, the process of designing, creating something new that did not exist earlier is known as invention. Okay. Okay, what are the examples for invention? Wheel, fountain pen. No, ballpoint pen. Okay. Let us wind up the session. Or you want to watch the video? Discovery of fire. I don't know. Time is there. Anyway, let me. Okay. Today's our time is over.
Ma'am, will you send it in the WhatsApp?
Yeah. Definitely not in the WhatsApp. I'll send it and I'll show the same video in the next class. Let us wind up the session. I hope the points are clear to you. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, bye. bye, bye, bye. Now you can open the textbook and read. Read the points from the textbook. Bye, bye. Love you all. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.